most of that stuff is about done. There's one thing I wanted to show you. There's a lot of work going on. I need to go to bed. There's not another Waldo to be found tonight, this afternoon. Shit. But it's my schedule, you know. We about to just be a little bit happier this afternoon, of course. If I was gonna speak on it, of course I was gonna. Man, was y'all looking? Would you tell a person if they had a booger in their nose? I mean, that's a real question. Like, I would expect you to say something down the lines of, not making eye contact, something. You just say, you know, your flavor saver, man. Do something with your flavor saver, player. Anyway, I ain't trying to catch shit, but I want to show you something else.